What's up guys, my name is Jake and today I'm doing a review on the Joby Gorillapod 3K Pro Kit. Now, I'm not a photographer, I'm not a videographer, but I found at work that I got kind of put in this position where I had to shoot some video with a really nice camera. We were using, I believe it was the Sony a6400, and I needed something that would actually be able to support it and handle it without me being afraid that I was going to break the really expensive work camera. So, what was really impressive about this to me is how strong these pieces are right here, right? So there was one shot where I needed to attach this to a branch and really secure it to make sure it would be safe. And this thing attaches super well. These pieces here, I don't know what it's made of, but they hold very, very well. For an example, let me do this. I don't know what reason you would ever do this around your arm, but just so you can see, I mean, even with it moving, how tight that is, how strong that is. I guess you can't experience it as well as I am with the actual feel of it, but this thing is unbelievably solid, especially against a good firm object. So I've used this a little bit for stationary shoots. It's a little tough if I'm doing it stationary because you have to actually work at it for a little while to get these things exactly the way you want them and make sure it's balanced well. But when you're attaching it to something, it's absolutely incredible. And for something that if you're looking for something to be versatile, that you can take on the road and use in pretty much any condition, this thing is perfect. You'll see this little piece here at the top. Make sure that's visible here. All this does is you unattach it and you stick it right into the bottom of your camera. It's very, very simple. It was stupid proof even for someone like me. And then you have this ball piece up here on the top. So all you do is unscrew this portion of it, and then you have the flexibility so you can get whatever shot you want. Again, as someone who doesn't have a lot of experience doing this, I found it incredibly easy to use, incredibly easy to find the exact shot I was looking for, to angle it and customize it to exactly what I was trying to do. The last piece is that you can actually turn the wrong part there, but you can turn this as well, so this will rotate all the way around. So again, if you're a high quality professional, you probably understand this a lot better than I do. You'll probably have a lot more uses for it than I have, but I've been really, really impressed with this as a newbie who was just looking for a stand that I could use both indoors and outdoors, and something that would really, really secure my expensive work camera that I didn't want to break. So if that's what you're looking for, I highly, highly recommend the Joby Gorillapod. I'm a big fan of it. And if this is what you're looking for, I think it'll be a good decision for you as well.